understanding the phrase, ceasefire is fragile. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that's often used in news and discussions about conflicts. Ceasefire is fragile. We'll break down what this phrase means, why it's important, and how you can use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Ceasefire refers to a temporary stoppage of fighting, usually agreed upon by all parties involved in a conflict. It's like a pause button on a video game, but for real-life battles. The word fragile means something that is easily broken or damaged. When we say a ceasefire is fragile, we're expressing that this temporary peace is delicate and can be easily disrupted or ended. This phrase is commonly used to describe situations where the agreement to stop fighting is not very stable. There might be a lack of trust between the parties, or underlying issues have not been resolved. It highlights the tension that remains and the potential for the conflict to resume at any moment. Understanding this phrase helps us grasp the complexities and uncertainties in peace processes. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. News report. Despite the recent agreement in the region, the ceasefire is fragile, with reports of skirmishes near the border. 2. Political analysis. The ceasefire is fragile due to the deep-rooted mistrust between the two nations, making long-term peace a challenging goal. 3. Everyday conversation. I heard about the ceasefire, but I've also heard it's quite fragile. Let's hope it holds. These examples show the phrase being used in various contexts, emphasizing the precarious nature of peace efforts. When discussing current events, especially those involving conflicts, this phrase can add depth to your conversation. It signifies not just your awareness of the event but also your understanding of the situation's volatility. For English language learners, mastering such phrases can greatly enhance your ability to discuss complex topics and express nuanced opinions. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, ceasefire is fragile. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations and analyses. Remember, language is a powerful tool for expressing complex ideas and fostering understanding. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.